An RCMP spokesman confirmed today that there is an ongoing investigation into money laundering by the Solar Temple cult. 53 cult members died in Quebec and Switzerland last week. Some may have committed suicide, but police think many were murdered. Radio-Canada has reported the cult was a front used to cover up money laundering and arms smuggling. In Quebec, police are uncovering more and more details about the deaths there. And as the CBC's Jed Kahane reports, the more they find, the more gruesome the case becomes.
Page by page, inch by inch, Quebec police are searching for clues at the home north of Montreal where the 5 bodies were found. Investigators know 3 of the dead were murdered, Nikki and Antonio Dutoit and their 3-month-old son. Police now say they died several days before the fires here and in Switzerland. And today they revealed that the family's murder was extremely brutal.
Mr. Dutoit suffered multiple, was stabbed repeatedly, over 50 times, and more than that, he was hit repeatedly with a blunt object. Very violent crime.
The body of the 3-month-old boy was found stuffed behind a water heater. He'd been stabbed through the heart. Inside the couple's car, police found traces of blood on the infant's car seat. And for the first time, police are suggesting the other 2 people found here on Tuesday may also have been murdered. Investigators say the man and the woman were alive when the fire started, but may have been poisoned first.
They may have been drugged with the poison or tranquilizer we found. This is possible, but we have to wait for the results, that's for sure.
Police also showed off photos of the devices that started the fire here. This one didn't go off, explaining why part of the house didn't burn down. That part of the house belongs to Joseph Demambro, the man police say is the mastermind behind the Order of the Solar Temple. Swiss radio reported today Demambro's body is among those found in Switzerland, but authorities would not confirm that. The RCMP, though, has confirmed that it's been investigating members of the order on suspicion of money laundering, but wouldn't comment any further. Radio-Canada has reported Demambro was using the cult as a front to traffic weapons and launder millions of dollars in profits. Tonight, 3 Quebec police investigators are leaving for Switzerland to assist authorities there in their investigation and to try and determine the fate of several Quebecers, members of the Order of the Solar Temple, whose whereabouts are still unknown. Jed Kahane, CBC News, Morin Heights.